As an architect or design student, do you ever feel stuck or overwhelmed? Welcome to ArchAdemia, your pathway to elevate skills, industry knowledge and career success in the world of architecture. We provide alternative education for creatives like you. We cover everything from design to drawing techniques, software knowledge, and we even teach you how to start your own architecture and design studio. And what sets us apart? We come from experienced practice owner backgrounds. We have the largest architecture specific tutorial library out there. Our one-on-one mentorship derived from vast and genuine experience ensures that you are never alone. We provide essential support to help you navigate your architectural journey. For a single, affordable fixed fee, you gain unlimited access to a massive library of tutorials and download packs. Members also benefit from direct mentoring through video calls and the opportunity to gain work experience at our practice studio RBX. Become a member of ArchAdemia today to improve your industry knowledge, your skills, enhance your confidence and accelerate your career by a number of years.